Friday night, yeah.
Hey, check this out. I figured out something neat with my powers recently. With one single tap, I can pretty much learn any language. Kakaya, ne? And the best part is, it works on other people too.
아, 진짜요?
Turns out, human languages aren't really that complex. Three, two, one, go!
This is a hot spot. 숨쉬듯 찾는 이 밥상. 등골이듯 넌 falling love. 참을 수 없는 말. 우린 in the kitchen. Cooking it up, what you craving? 나의 멋대로 사sen. Another world come. You don't need to think too much. 씹고 뜯고 먹고 즐기다 가면 돼. 입 스며들어 in your mouth. Guilty pleasure never kill nobody 드셔봐.
If I say spaghetti, 배고픈 네 bon appetit. 그냥 그렇게 어차피 eat it up, eat it up. Bad fish in between your teeth. 그냥 그렇게 어차피 eat it up, eat it up. Eat that, 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 eat that. Eat it up, eat it up.
Yeah, this is the sweet spot. Head up the scene is the big shot. Chef choice, no we can keep. Yeah, you're lost in the sauce, no turning back. 취할 거야 밤새 우려져. 나 빈잔은 바꿔게 빈잔은 열어. 좋은 게 좋은 거지 좋다는 게 왜 뭐 느껴와 어서 걷지 말고 Let me out like a cat in a 김치 포즈는 여전히 priceless. Whatever I'm cooking 싸가지 없는 코스는 원한 말아주는 셔틀. 내가 미치한 드라마 주인공이고 또 숨도 명이고 고칼로리 해쇼고 모든 주제를 홀리는 다른 의미의 나로 지가에서 바로
Yeah, this Don't give a fuck 니가 뭐라던 씹어보셔 맛이 좋아 필요 없어 3-star 얘말로만 hate it 어디 가서 너의 diet 난 molested 큰 enemy You better not lying Don't care what you talk about 오늘도 제발 타양만 하잖아 Keeps to you that are in your mouth 진짜 사랑인지 아닌지도 씹어봐
If I say spaghetti, 배고픈 네 bon appetit. 그냥 그렇게 어차피 eat it up, eat it up. 머릿속엔 seraphim, bad fish in between your teeth. 그냥 그렇게 어차피 eat it up, eat it up. Eat that, eat that, eat that, eat that.